Okay, hi guys. This is the project number one of the web development with Python and JavaScript course from EDX. So basically, this is pretty much it. This is the web application. Here it shows the recent comments, which obviously are connected by a query. They are using the book table, the users table, and obviously the reviews table. The database scheme is on the GitHub, so you can grab it from there. And this is another query for the recent books, which basically is a query that says, show me the books ordered by their year, the published year. Okay, so the first, if you want to go to a book or or well one of these, you just click on it, and then you will see that there it is a comment which is the same that it is on here. Yep, this one. And you will see that there's a danger message that says you must be logged to make a review. So to to make a login, obviously to log in we have to sign up. So let's create a new username and password. Okay, so the first, let's call it Daniel, and password 123. And let's see what happens if the password is not the same. So you will see password does not match. So let's do it again with Daniel, and then password 123, and then confirm password 123, and then sign up, and you will be redirected to the login page. So here, uh, let's try the same. Let's try with a username that is not created. So let's try to log in, and there it says no username created. And then if you want to show, let's put Daniel, but now with a wrong password. There it says wrong password, and then let's try the last one, Daniel, sorry, with the correct password, which is 123, and then when you try to log in, now you are redirected to the index page. Okay, so let's try, before making a comment, let's try to find a book. So for example, this one is by George Saunders. So let's copy this author, sorry, and then push enter. And there it is. You have all of the books that are by George Sanders. So this is case unsensitive. So if you type like this, George Saunders, you should have the same results. So let's click on the first one, on the title, and then let's make a review. Like for example, 5, and then this is an interesting book. So let's submit that review, and then the review is already submit. So if you try to make another review, like this is a board book, you will see that says you have already submit a review. Okay, so let's take a look at this part, and this is the title of the book, the author, the year, the ISBN number, and there is the data that is from the API. So this is the total numbers of reviews, and then this is the average book rating. So um, if you want to go back, to the no, this is, yeah. So for example, if you come here to the index page and you try to look for this same book, of George Saunders, and then you click on it. If you don't want to type right here the title of the book or the author, you can just click right here and go back, and you will go back to the last URL that request this page. Yes, this is the API data, and if you try to look for a book that doesn't exist on the database, you will see. I'm sorry for my internet, guys. This is the live web app. Okay, so you will see that here says there's nothing for Harry Potter in this case. In this case, so if you try to search nothing, like, you will see try to search a book. So if you see, this is a completely dynamic search bar, which this means is that if you are, for example, in the index and you search right here, for example, Terry, you will see that the URL is search Terry, search equal Terry, and then if we are inside of a book and then we try to look for Terry, you will see that the URL is the same as this one, which is pretty good. So the last one is the API data, how to get the API from a book. So for example, this is the ISBN number. So if you come here and you write API slash and paste the ISBN number, you will get the ISBN number. So that is pretty much what it is, the web application. So thank you if you came over to the end of this video, and bye bye.